Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, fur baby. Hey, baby girl. What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, of course. Yeah, I know you seen that one video I did with Jared doing his prep for the race against me and him. So I think I'm doing a little prep for myself. Oh, what's that? Yep. Look what we got here. Oh yeah, guys, we got some drag slicks over here. Yeah, I know I still don't really have a plan or anything like that for my motor situation, but a motor or rebuild or something is coming soon, so just wait on it. But this was such a good deal, I couldn't pass up on it. So thank you, Man Car, the guy in my last video with the racetrack with the green fox body. Thank you for helping me with this, hooking me up with it. And I'm about to go to the tire shop, get them rebalanced and see what I can do. We're gonna figure out once we get there. Alright guys, we on our way to our local tire shop. Ironically, I used to work there, so let's see if they can work in a discount for me or something like that. Probably not, but hey, can't hurt to try, right? I'll let you know when we get there, all right? Alright guys, we just came back from the tire shop, and yeah, right now I'm just kind of getting all this old plastic dip and stuff off of it. This tire's still looking good, or will, so I'm even gonna mess with that. This was kind of peeling, so yeah, I'm just going ahead and just power this off, put some glue going on it and whatnot. Oh snap, look who's pulling up. My opponent. And what's funny is that's his twin right there, the one that was in that street runners video. Let's see what he got to say.
Would you look at that?
Yeah.
You sure that's him?
Yeah, that's him. I'm 100% positive.
Said anything to him?
No, he just pulled up.
Just pulled up.
Yeah. Hold on, wait. Oh, I got hop on it too. Hold on. It's locked. It's locked. All right, what you about to do? What you about to do?
I don't know. I'm trying to see if this is Chris.
This is him. Look, Scat Pack black hood or carbon fiber hood.
So he's chilling with skinnies on.
Oh yeah. Pull up a little bit. This thing is fixed up. He be driving around everywhere. It is nice.
Is it Cam?
Yes, it's Cam.
I've seen them drive. I've heard them drive.
So
I can make noise, but I can't use any torque.
you remember how I said I got something up my sleeve for this race?
There he is. What'd you do?
Let's go see. Dang, you tall.
Yeah. You what you used to be doing this? I don't have to do that anymore. So. Chris got a new tire.
Yes, I do.
They look kind of burnt.
They are drag slicks. They just kind of use drag slicks.
They'll fit on my car. Let's go.
They'll fit on your car. For some reason, Jared don't like me whenever I crank up the car. What's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong?
No.
Alright. Got one kind of dried off. This one we got all the little plastic dip paint off of it. Now all we gotta do is paint it. Are you gonna paint it?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Probably not.
No? You don't want to?
I don't know.
You don't know? I mean, I don't care about the wheels, so I mean, whatever you want to do.
I can paint it.
You wanna paint it?
I can paint it.
Alright, let's paint it.
Is it primer though?
No, you don't
No,
need.
it's just black.
Yeah, it's just black.
You record me paint. I ain't never painted before in my freaking life.
I know, that's why I'm recording you.
You can record me paint. It's the first time I've ever painted in my life.
Yep.
Alrighty, bro.
Is it getting on there?
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit.
You're actually doing pretty good.
What color? Is it supposed to be black?
Yes.
We need a lot of color.
Dope. Let's see.
Oh, it's black now.
It's black now.
Yeah.
Don't make it run now.
I'm not trying to. Wind's blowing it that way.
This is weird. Time lapse.
Yes, please.
Cue it now.
I mean, it's black.
Yeah, it's black now. But I just ran out of plastic dip, so yeah.
Well, you know.
I don't care about
Still need
these.
another coat on.
They're black, so they're good enough. Hopefully they look good when I'm beating you.
Oh, you funny.
We're on our way to the gun store. We're gonna let that paint dry. Yeah, so this is probably gonna be the end of this video. Probably. So yeah, if it is, catch y'all on the next video.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, I recorded this whole video with my phone to see how it works.
And my back is messed up.
Yeah, he just got out of surgery 2 days ago.
Yeah, moving really slow.
Still can't believe you chipped my moped.
Sorry. That was my back was still messed up.
Exactly.
I stood it back up.
But yeah, hopefully something will be good happening.
It wasn't English, but we're okay.
Alright guys, it is the next day because by the time we got back from the gun store and whatnot, it was dark out. So, yeah. Me and Jared went ahead and put the wheels on the car and whatnot. And as soon as we dropped my car on it, I was going to show y'all a picture or a video of it. But as soon as we dropped the car on it, it breaks the bead. So, I got to take it back to the tire shop and see if they can fix that again. I do have an extra tire just in case if it's something with the tire. I got the drag slicks for a really good price, so I mean I'm not really worried about it not working. So if I don't have drag slicks, I just don't have drag slicks. It's perfectly fine. But the reason why I was making this is because actually one of my subscribers sent me something in the mail. So I'm really interested in seeing on what this is. So I'll put his Instagram link right here. But yeah, let's just go ahead and see what this is. Kind of excited because I've been kind of waiting for this for a minute. I'm really excited to see what it is. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness, I am lost for words right now. This is really good. Y'all look at this. Look at the detail on it. That's just crazy. Look at that. That is, wow. Dude, I love this. This is nice. This is really nice. Wow. I can't. Let me see. He also wrote me a letter. First, I would like to start by saying thank you. I do my fair share amount of YouTube browsing, and I really enjoy your content. Not to mention you're a fellow Mustang enthusiast. Anyways, yeah, I'm sorry about the whole cut on the video. This letter really got to me, and I really gotta say, like, I really appreciate it, Pony Boy, cause yeah, this truly means a lot to me. I really was not expecting this at all. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of made me tear up a little bit. So all I gotta say is, like, I really do appreciate everything that you guys had done for me, and it just really, I really did not think that this channel was gonna be like this. Honestly, I was just doing it just to record my progress with it, and honestly, I was finna just stop when I completed it. But after seeing that, I see all the support that I'm getting from you guys. I want to keep going with this, so this seems pretty nice. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for all the support y'all been giving me. If y'all want to send me anything in the mail, any fan mails or letters or anything like that, I will read them out and give y'all a shout out and all that, because I really do appreciate it. Just message me on Instagram, Facebook, or however you want to message me. It's all at the end of the videos, and just let me know. I'll send you email linked or whatever, so you can send me stuff. I really do appreciate it, because I mean, come on guys, look at this. That is talent. Okay, give me a sec. I normally don't do this, and I haven't drawn in like probably a good, I want to say 7 years, probably, maybe. But I mean, yeah, so yeah, I really do appreciate that. But yeah, Pony Boy, I'm gonna put this right next to my 1996 Mach 1. Frame it up and put it right next to it. I really do appreciate that. But anyway, guys, I mean, that just showed me that, you know, we all creators around here. Just keep on creating. It can be in drawing, it can be swapping cars, it can be just creating your own your dream car, you know what I mean? Everybody just keep creating. I kind of want my YouTube channel to be based off of that, is for us to be creators. It feel like it fits for this channel. I'm rambling again, so yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. We'll catch you on the next one.